on to the next slide, which shows that among our cases since August 2nd, that an overwhelming majority of our cases are not vaccinated or not fully vaccinated. And I will say that the not fully vaccinated numbers make up a very small percentage of that total. So of the more than 17,000 cases, 79% were unvaccinated or only partially vaccinated. And of these cases, we know of 815 that were hospitalized, and 82% of those were unvaccinated. We had 59 deaths during that period, and 64% of these were unvaccinated. So it's important to know that the vaccinations work great, but it's also important to understand statistically that breakthrough cases are likely to occur. It happens with any vaccine. And I recently heard a good comparison that I think helps people understand. If you think of the vaccines like an umbrella and it's raining outside, before Delta came around, the rain was maybe a drizzle. Most people who had an umbrella were not getting wet at all and could go outside and do pretty much what they wanted without concern of getting wet. Very rarely a person with an umbrella might get a few drops on them, but overall they were staying very dry. The Delta variant is more like a downpour, and umbrellas are definitely still helping, and it's way better to have one than be stuck in the downpour without one. But because it's raining harder, some people with umbrellas are still getting wet. Now they're still far less wet than those without umbrellas, but some are more wet than they were before because when the rain was just a drizzle. So again, that's how the numbers work with these breakthrough cases, but the data are clearly showing that vaccination has severely cut down on the number of people dying in our state, seriously cut down on the number of hospitalizations and cases of COVID. Again, most all of those are among individuals who are unvaccinated. And in fact, recent CDC data even shows that hospitalization rates are 10 to 22 times higher among the unvaccinated individuals compared to vaccinated adults.